My name is Chrissy Skydancer, and I want to give you a real quick guide to save your money. So let's start. This tutorial is about saving electrical power consumption. Open Preferences. Go to the Graphics option. First, deactivate SSR and mirrors if you don't need them. These need a lot of resources. Right after, move to the Rendering tab. Check Limit Frame Rate and cap the FPS to 30. In addition, if you run SecondLife on a second screen while you focus on something different, go to the Advanced option and set here a value from 40 to 100 or 200. So if Firestorm is an inactive window, it will just give you every 100 or 200 milliseconds a refresh of what's going on. You can also go all in with 1000 milliseconds. With these tricks, you will pay less for your SecondLife session. When you would like to know why this button is saving your money, click on this tutorial here.